Good morning, Miss Sullivan. I wanted to show you something. I don't know if this would help, but I'm trying still to figure out why I can't view files. This morning it seems to be the same, and I'm still getting that error. So I went on the Microsoft website just to find like a blog of some sort. It says unable to access files, and basically what to do. It says here, this was the initial question. I guess somebody was experiencing the same thing, but if you look at the replies, one of the replies says, we notice that a file issue occurs when the team name contains a single quote. Renaming the group does not work. You must recreate. We have other file issues, but the proposed solution, I hope this helps. So anyways, so I went back, looking at that, I went back into Teams, and I noticed that none of the other teachers, which, like I said, I don't have any problems with any of the other ones, it's just on yours, and it seems like because of that, that might be the issue. I don't know. I'm a little confused because you said that other parents aren't having the issue, but if this blog on Microsoft is correct, then that little apostrophe could be causing some issues. Yeah, and again, like this morning, I didn't see anything about the popcorn word. So if I click on files, I'm still only seeing those two and I'm getting that error. I don't know if that's something I need to fix on my end. I tried to rename it on my end, so, and I wasn't able to do it, but anyways, I just wanted to point that out. This error is for something else. Like I said, we're all, and like you said, we're all in this together, so I just thought maybe I'd send that over if you weren't already aware. That might be a way to fix it. I wasn't able to move the little apostrophe on my end, but anyways, hope this helps. Thanks.